Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how to add links to your YouTube banner. And by the way, my audio quality would not that be good, so please do not focus on that thing. So you need to open your YouTube studio. So I will just open that. After opening your YouTube studio, just scroll down here and click on customization, and then click on basic info, and just scroll down and click here add link. Now here just I will type title Instagram and I will just paste here link. So now what you need to do is always make sure that you click on this publish button, or otherwise your changes will not be saved. So now click on publish button and you can just check it now. I will just click on go to channel and we have this. There we go, this link to my Instagram account. So okay guys, that is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.